Okay, this is video 1. Construct a perpendicular bisector to a given line. Perpendicular means two lines meet at 90-degree angle. And then bisector means cut in half. So we're going to be making this thing over here, and what you might notice is it has a 90-degree angle in the middle. And if you're looking at the distance from A to M, that's the same as the distance from M to B. So we're going to cut a line in half. I'll say these two pieces have the same length. So that piece and that piece, they have the same length. Alright, so let's write those down officially. The key properties of this construction is, number 1, it creates a 90-degree angle. And number 2, it finds the midpoints. Of a line. Cuts it in half. Here's the steps. Place the compass at A. So I'll put the needle. When they say the compass, they mean the needle. Adjust the radius so it's more than 1/2 the length of the segment. So we want it to go from A to B. And what you need to do is carefully pull apart the pencil and the needle. Now if it's stuck, don't force it. What you can do is go to this screw and turn it to the left a little bit. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So loosen it up a little bit. And open it a little more than halfway, and then make sure you tighten it. Don't over-tighten it. It should move pretty well on its own. There we go. So it doesn't matter the length as long as it's more than halfway. Here is fine. So then what you're going to do is draw two arcs, one above and one below. So with the needle at A, and I see a lot of students hold the compass straight up and down. Don't do that. Hold it off to the side like this. And do not move the compass. You actually want to move the paper underneath. So notice I'm holding the compass on the needle, and I'm just moving the paper back and forth. Okay. Don't let the compass slip. Keep the compass the same width or radius. Place the compass now at B. Holding the needle side, not straight up and down, but hold it off to the side like this, at an angle. And we want to draw two more arcs intersecting the previous arcs. So just light pressure on the needle. You don't have to force the compass down. Light pressure is fine. Move the paper underneath it gently, and we have 2 points of intersection. So let's label those 2 points. Let's call this X. Let's call this Y. So what we're going to do now is take a straight edge and draw a line from X to Y. Now if we did this right, oops, a little bit off. If we did this right, looks like we did. This is 90 degrees in the middle. And again, these two pieces have the same length. So this side of the line we just drew, that's going to be equivalent to this side. And then you usually label the point in the middle as M, and that's the last step. So now what you get to do is finish off this construction. Go ahead and pause the video. Press pause and try it again. Okay, now that you've given it a try, here's what you need to do. Place the needle at one side, open it up a little more than halfway, draw an arc. Then keep the compass the same width, don't let it slip. Put the needle on the other side. You want to hold the needle, not the pencil, hold the needle And again, draw another arc. You should have 2 points of intersections. You can label them as X and Y, and then you can connect X and Y with your pencil. And then people usually label the point in the middle as M.